Welcome to King J Talk Show with Sean Nguyen. The goal of this program is to help you become top 1% success in real estate. We did it, so we can show you how. I want to talk to you about the second real estate investment opportunity in 2023. Are you ready? Using buy-down programs or temporary buy-down program to reduce or to lower your monthly payment. Many lenders out there are offering the temporary buy-down program called 321 or 210. Let me share with you the United Wholesale Mortgage, UWM. This is one of the pioneer in the temporary buy-down mortgage programs. So instead of paying 7% on your interest rate, now you're paying 5% or 4%. That helps to reduce a lot on your monthly mortgage payment. So beginning almost about we found this article written in August 17 in 2022. So at least we know since August 2022. So they have 321 temporary rate buy down, and also they have 21 temporary rate buy down. So let's take a look at the 30-year fixed 321 temporary rate buy down on a 350,000 loan for a borrower with a FICO score of 700 and a 90% loan to value. The rate may be a little higher or lower, but this one is an example to get you an overall picture how 321 buy down program and 210 buy down program look like. So in this example, conventional 30-year fixed 321 temporary rate buy down on a 350,000 loan for a borrower with FICO score 700 and 90% loan to value. So first year, instead of paying 6.75%, that is a permanent long-term rate instead and current rate. Instead of saying 6.75%, you pay 3.75%. And the second year, instead of paying 6.75%, you pay 4.75%. And the third year, you pay 5.75%. And the year 4 to year 30, you pay 6.75%. That is how the buy down 321 buy down look like. So first year you get 3% less than long-term rate. The second year you got 2% less than long-term rate. And third year you get 1% less than long-term rate. And from year 4 to year 30, you got a long-term rate. Okay, permanent rate. So for the monthly payment for year number 1, estimated $16.20 a month. Second year, $18.25. Third year, $20.42. So the yearly saving on the first year, $7,790. Saving on the second year, $5,331. And then saving on third year, $2,731. The idea behind this buy down program is when in the future when the rate drop, let's say when the rate dropped down from 6.75 to 4.75 or 5%, you can refinance and get a long-term lower rate. You don't have to pay 6.75 for 30 years. Okay, so that is a beautiful. Okay, for 210 buy down, it is a little different. Instead of first year you get 3% lower rate than your permanent rate. Now you get 2% lower than your permanent rate. And the second year you get 1% lower than your permanent rate. That are the benefits of temporary buy down program right now. So it helps you to reduce your monthly payment a lot by 3% or 2% or 1%. So you don't have to worry about the first year higher payment in the meantime. And it also helps you to take advantage of the lower home price during the slow down market. So you get both reduced payment and also reduced price. In the future, when the interest rate drop, let's say drop to 6%, 5%, 4%, you can refinance it and enjoy your long-term lower interest rate. So it is awesome to get both lower payment and lower price. You get the reduced mortgage payment and reduced home price. I see you next video.